Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Stake to Binance. First of all, you need to click the wallet icon on the top and you need to select withdraw. On the top, you need to select the cryptocurrency. So most likely you have your balance in USDT and I suggest you to use BIP20 network because there are lower fees. Now we need to copy the BIP20 Binance Smart Chain wallet address from Binance. You need to hover over the wallet icon on the top right corner and go to the spot account. Right here you need to find USDT and you need to click these three dots on the right side of the USDT and select deposit. As I mentioned guys, we are selecting BIP20 Binance Smart Chain Network, which is right here. And let's copy the wallet address from Binance. Now let's go back to the stake.com and paste the wallet address right here. Here you need to enter the withdrawal amount. And before you will enter, you can see that minimum withdrawal amount is 2.5 USDT and the fee will be 0.1 USDT guys. So for example, you are sending 10 USDT from Stake to your Binance. You need to enter the amount right here. And you need to click this withdraw button and then in 5 minutes, in maximum 5 minutes, you can check your balance on Binance. To check your balance, just hover over the wallet icon on the top right, go to the spot account, and right here you will see your USDT balance guys. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.